In today's video, we are going to show you how to set a stop loss in Quotex. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then on the left side panel of your dashboard, I want you to click the trade because this will forward you to the trading platform. It will open up the chart panel and choose the asset that you want to trade, whether it's currency pairs, crypto, or commodities. And then on the chart, select your time frame. For example, we are going to set it around here. You see the bell icon? We have set our time frame. And then in the right side, this is very important. Okay, Quotex does not have a traditional stop loss feature like Forex platforms such as MT4, MT5. Since Quotex is a fixed time trading platform, you don't set any stop loss levels directly on the chart. Instead, risk control is done through the trade amount management. So for example, look at the investment box. Now enter the amount you're willing to risk. For example, let's say $100. If your account is 100, you might risk only $2 to $5 per trade because that is equivalent to 2 to 5%. This acts as your effective stop loss because in the fixed time trading, you only lose the amount you invested in that position. After that, you see there is like a pending trade. If you click on it, what will happen is you would need to choose the expiration time carefully. So basically, the shorter time, the higher the volatility risk. So managing expiration time properly helps reduce unnecessary losses. So if you want to put up and to put down here, you can do so. In some cases, Quotex allows you to trade early, and if your trade is moving against you and early closing is available, you can do that and click the section here to sell or close early income and confirm the action because this can help reduce the losses before expiration. And basically, that's it for today. So while Quotex doesn't offer a traditional stop loss tool, you can still control your risk effectively through the smart money management and trade discipline. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can set a stop loss in Quotex. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.